real slow for a bit.
KR1SS Chris.
Sorry about that.
I see how you are.
Oh, right, Steve.
I know. Give me time.
I thought he just got the wrong person. He got the wrong you.
Shot colors work well. 86 mm.
Okay, this is the hill.
Good thing nobody has one.
Oh, this is a washout.
Yeah, if it was necessary equipment in a four-wheel drive, I'd probably be up here walking around with 8 or 10 of them on my neck.
You missed something?
It was on, it's okay. No, keep going. It was on video instead of...
Oh, okay.
I want to get a picture of the washout.
And this is a hill. In four-wheel drive, there's really nothing to it.
Yep, is that just a pit stop, W7AFJ? Yeah, it was. One of the advantages of DCLS. I'm rolling now. I thought it was. That's why I kept rolling.
And we're not slipping at all yet. Yet.
No, this is good.
It's cruising along real nice.
I don't know what...
Bouncing a little bit. As you can probably tell by the video.
Oh, every time it goes off it.
You ready?
Yeah, it's good.
Go.
It's good. It's good.
Okay.
Good. It's all good.
Oh, God. Dust is coming in. I shouldn't have stopped. Caught up to us.
That's feel pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I will not listen to Frank again when he says I can take my ass.
I know.
You can take a streetcar, no problem.
Well, when I'm looking at it,
Right on.
about the road, it's not quite as dramatic.
Oh, looks like we're coming to another hill.
Yeah, I would do it, wouldn't it? You can see through this little saddle here to the left off to the next mountain over.
We made it to the top of that one. We're going through a gate.
Back there, wow.
Getting ready to go through a gate.
One of the biggest mines up in this area was just over the hill to our right and down the other side called the Leadville mine. I'm not sure why they call it Leadville because it was mostly a gold mine, but it was a pretty big producer up here for a number of years in the middle 1800s.
Oh,
Then he went crooked there to take a picture.
Did he?
Yeah.
Might be that atomic weight thing.
And you can see a road way down ahead of us.
Yeah.
Part of our convoy, our off-road trip, is down there on that road. Off in the distance, you can see the two, turn the radio down here. Off in the distance, you can see a few white things traveling right to left. Those are big trucks, 18-wheelers on Interstate 10.
By the way, you haven't figured it out yet. Most of the efforts to separate gold from the rest of the rock by placer mining are almost always dependent on one principal characteristic of gold, and that's what he just mentioned, and that is the fact that it's heavier than almost anything else. So if you rattle and shake and wobble things, the gold will always fall to the bottom, and then you can collect it later. That's what they did with that sifter that you saw him using over there. It vibrates all the rock down, and all the lighter rock falls off the end eventually, and what's left in those little
Oh, another washout there.
down in the edges of those rivers.
Want to get a picture of that?
No. I'll just take one here. This is
the heaviest mineral of all.
good.
And we're going down another hill. Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, God, I'll do this
Of
too.
course, that doesn't work quite as well in areas where there's a lot of wind around for the same point that he just made.
Oh, wow. This is fun. I'm glad it's in your hands. I would have been shitting myself back there driving. As a passenger, I'm not... What if somebody gets stuck in this? What happens? Oh, my
Sorry,
God.
just get on the radio and pull you out.
Really? Who's got a winch? Nobody's got a winch.
I've got a strap. A lot of us have straps.
Pick it back up yet, or is that too soon?
Frank, we're still spread. Looks like a few hundred yards between. Quite a few hundred yards between.
Oh, my.
Okay, well, some of that's normal because of the dust. So, okay, I'll just keep cruising at a low ebb here.
No, this isn't dust spread. This is spread.
Okay, gotcha.
KR1SS.
Frank, we still have 4 on this side of the hill. Okay, thanks.
Look at this road.
Yeah. Isn't this cool?
Oh! Oh! Oh my God.
You must have looked down.
I felt like I was going over. Now what's the protocol if we roll? Is it we just roll with the punches?
That's right, just hang on.
And like we're dead. Oh, look at this. Oh my God.
Let the video get a good picture of that.
Oh, a video? You want me to go to
I'm videoing.
Okay.
And this is a little wash. Well, not really a little wash.
Oh. Oh! Oh!
And I didn't scrape bottom.
No.
But I do have skid plates just in case for the transmission and oil pan.
Yeah. The worst is over, I think. But if it rained, this would be loose and...
Oh, could you imagine? Oh, muddy?
So, like, does somebody build this road up again?
It doesn't look like it. It looks like people just roll over it. It's got all the rock and gravel.
But you never hear about accidents, so I wonder,
No.
there must be people having problems out here.
Well, the secret to going off-roading is never do it by yourself.
Yeah.
You know, go with a group or at least
Don't
one.
come with me because I wouldn't be able to find my way back to get you help.
Well, there's always GPS.
Yeah, if you know how to
Yeah, I've got,
do it.
with my phone, I've got satellite. Satellite GPS. Okay, that's it for the big hill. So I'm going to shut off the video. Again, thanks a lot for coming along on the ride with us. Partway at Quartzfest 2014.